Hey everyone, today we are in Shibuya and we're about to do something super fun and unique. We're renting a dog for an hour and I can't wait to see what it's like. Follow us to Dog Heart Shibuya. And here we are, Dog Heart Shibuya. Time to meet some cute dogs. Let's head inside and check it out.
Patora-chan.
ありがとうございます。
3時25分ぐらいですかね、スタート。
はい。
Patora-chan.
This is Patora-chan. She's super cute and full of energy. We're going to take her for a walk, so let's get ready.
Kawaii.
It's a girl,
This girl.
5 years old.
Here we are, on our way to Yoyogi Park with our new friend Patora-chan. It's a beautiful day and we're excited to take her out for a walk.
So cute. Let's go to the park.
So, let's talk about the cost of renting a dog here at Dog Heart Shibuya. The first hour is 3,800 yen, and after that it's 500 yen for every additional 15 minutes. So for a 2-hour session, you're looking at about 4,800 yen in total.
Patora versus other dog. So, show your strength, Patora.
Honestly, the price is pretty reasonable when you think about it. You get to spend quality time with a cute dog like Patora-chan, plus you get to enjoy a fun walk to Shibuya and Yoyogi Park. It is a unique experience that dog lovers can really appreciate.
Patora. A lot of people in the park. Meerkats.
Round 2. Fight.
Be careful.
One of the best parts in Yoyogi Park is that there is a special area where dogs can be off the leash and just run around freely.
お客様にご連絡いたします。お車のナンバー、品川359
パトラお水。
水。
718黒の電
It's still a bit too early for Sakura season here in Yoyogi Park, but we did come across another beautiful tree that made the walk even more special.
かわいい。
かわいい。
パトラちゃんがかわいい。
Alright, it's time to head back after an awesome day with Patora-chan. It's honestly such a great option if you want to spend time with a dog but don't want the full-time commitment. Perfect for everyone who loves dogs but can't have one all the time.
Do you know the way back? So finally home. Patora.